Good morning. Of course, it's 3 days to Halloween. I'm in my pajamas and I'm still working on my home haunt. I'm in my Stranger Things area, which is blocked off from the rest of the haunted house out there. And right now, I kind of wanted to work on this telephone that you see right here. I want people to be able to pick it up and put it to their ear and hear Will talking to them on the other side. And I've been racking my brain on how to do this. And my husband, who had a great idea about somehow wiring it up in a certain way, it looks like I just woke up, but hey, that's life. That's a home haunter's life. No sleep, up all night. You wake up and you go, go, go. Back to it. So my husband was thinking it'd be really cool to wire it in and use the power source, and maybe when he has more time he can do that, and that would be really cool. But we don't have time. 3 days to Halloween, and I still have a lot to do, and Castle Byers still needs some updating, and that's our lovely shadow monster just dead on the grass over there. And today we're gonna start building that. My husband has a really good plan with putting that together. So here, let me show you the phone and what I'm planning on doing. So here's the phone. I already took off the earpiece here. It just unscrews, see? You just unscrew this piece. And unfortunately, when I first saw it, I thought, oh, I have to somehow get the speaker out. And my husband came out here and just gave it a few taps and the thing just popped out. There's stuffing in there, so you take that out. So I'm gonna get a screw and unscrew those things and unscrew the wires. And then what I did is I went on Amazon and I found the world's smallest portable Bluetooth wireless speaker. And I'm going to set it inside, screw this back on, and then I'm going to create an audio file which I'm going to loop from my computer, and it's Bluetooth connected to the little tiny speaker in here, and it's just going to constantly be on a loop. So unfortunately it won't start when they pick the phone up off the receiver. It just, hopefully they pick it up and they can hear Will talking on a continuous loop. And that is my goal for today. So what I did, because I just don't have time, I went on YouTube and I found there's a lot of great creators out there and very smart people. And this person right here made, only 4 subscribers, made a beautiful window projection that you can put in your window. But I love the audio of it. So I pretty much recorded the audio of it, and I asked for permission. May I use this for my home haunt? And what I did was just recorded the audio, and then what I did is on my own YouTube, I went ahead and made that's my floor you're looking at. I didn't have time to. There's my audio. So I just have it, I recorded it a couple times just to do that loop. And then if you want to loop a YouTube video, I'm on my computer, so right click on it. This will pop up, you hit loop. And it's check marked, and now you can loop a video over and over and over again. And I made mine private. I really don't want 100 people looping this, but if someone wanted to use it, they could, I guess. I'm still kind of wanting to wait for permission to use it, but I'm only using it for a home haunt. I'm not selling tickets, and I'm not making a profit off this. And I'm not, other than making the short video, which I gave them props of where I bought the video from, or not bought, borrowed the video clip from. Anyway, so that's my goal for today. When I'm all done, I will show it to you. And yeah, I could have put a better picture rather than my floor on here, but I'm in a hurry. Like I said, Halloween's in 3 days. So I'm waiting patiently for my speaker, and I read about it again, and they said it's literally the size of a quarter. And I measured it, but I never measured it with a quarter. So I think that will work. My thing is depth, because the other side of this actually has like a little, it's pushed out a little bit. But it definitely, if it says it's the size of a quarter, it will fit in there. I'll do an unboxing when I get it. Super excited.
the phone, one of my most favorite parts. This is probably one of the most expensive props I have in this whole set. The phone cost me, I think, 20 bucks. There's a little speaker inside. Can you hear it? So I'm going to kind of show you this one right here. Here, I have to hold the camera. Okay, so this is something that I wanted to do really bad and was wrapping my brain around how I was going to do it. My husband even was going to take apart the thing, and we still kind of want to take it apart and have it ring, like somehow we can remotely have it ring, and when they pick it up, they'll hear it. But I found a wireless Bluetooth speaker, the tiniest speaker in the world, on Amazon. That's it. I took the guts out of the phone, put the speaker in there. There's some cotton in there. I put some more cotton, and I just screwed it on. Now, it's playing on a loop on my computer that's connected to the little speaker via Bluetooth. And that's how I did that effect. Will? It's Will.